Hello, good morning everyone. In this video I will show you how to install Windows XP in my old laptop. I will show you step by step how to install Windows XP in my laptop. You will see in video live step by step. First search in Google Windows XP Service Pack 3 or Service Pack 2. You type in Google Windows XP ISO. Just type like this, Windows XP ISO, and I show you my laptop is 32-bit, so I will select Windows XP 32-bit. If your laptop is 64-bit, you can either download 32-bit or 64-bit. But if you have only 32-bit laptop, then you have to install 32-bit only. So it will not support 64-bit. Again, if you want to know whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, go to system information. If you go to system information, I will show you that where if you type in the search bar SYSTEM system information, here it is come. Here just see, here you will see into 64 based PC, system type into 64 based PC it is written, because this this laptop is new one, and it will have 64-bit supporting. But I will show you in my old laptop only. In that one system type, it will be written into 86. Just see, into 86 bit. That means 32-bit. So if it is 32-bit, you have to download 32-bit XP software OS. Otherwise, go for 64. Now, here Windows XP original, either MSD ISO file, Service Pack 0 to Service Pack 1 it is written, or Service Pack 2, it is 64-bit again. Again, the third is Windows XP Professional Service Pack 3 into 86. If you click this one, you get Service Pack 3. Again, download Windows XP ISO file 32-bit. Here you found both 32-bit and 64-bit. So, like this means either if it is 64-bit, it will install to 64-bit only. If it is 32-bit only, automatically it will take 32-bit. So here it is 32-bit showing, 64-bit. Whichever you want, you can select and download. I will select 32-bit. It is showing where to save. By default it will come in downloads in my system. So for most of the every have it will come download folder only. If you change to any other folder, other rate, that also you can do. But for that you have to search from here where you want to download. But for me, I will take the download folder only, and I click save. If you save, now here in Google, in the top it will show your already your XP Professional is starting download. It is starting to download. Once you download, I will let you know how to make this as a bootable CD. But bootable USB also you can do, but I will show you bootable USB only, because CD drive means nowadays it's not available. Only through USB only everybody installing. So I will show you in the USB only. Once it will finish, I will let you know. Now you see the Windows XP Professional is already download complete. It will be in the download folder. Now you close this window. Go back. If you go back, it will come to the first screen. Here what you have to write, Rufus. R-U-F-U-S. Rufus. Click that is Rufus is a software which create bootable USB for you. So go click this one, first one itself. Here if you go downward, there is a different type of software. Just see here. You have Rufus 4.7 standard 64-bit. So we have 32-bit only. I will select 32-bit will support for both, but 64-bit will support only for 64-bit. So select this one, that is 32-bit. If you click this one, some window will come. Don't do anything, just close, give close option. Once you close the option, other window will come here where you want to download. Just you select the same folder but just see where it is saving, because otherwise you have to search it. So by default, system will take downloads folder in the C drive. So save. It will now save. It's done. A very small software will finish. Now what you have to do? Go click the Rufus. Already I have my Rufus in the desktop. But for you only I have showed how to download. So just double click this Rufus. Will ask, or you want to open this app? Just click yes. Now this window will come. Now what you can do? I have one pen drive. This pen drive is there. I put this pen drive here in my USB port. Now what you do here? Format this one. Because I have some other software in that one. I just remove this volume label and quick format. Select quick format and start. It will asking if you formatting all will erase. It will erase. Okay, you give. Now format complete. The window will coming like this. Format will complete. Now close this window. Now close this window also. Now here already it will take the default USB drive only. So no label, etc. That one you select. I have one more is there. So again select the ISO file where you have downloaded that path you have to go. Just select this, and here automatically the download folder will come. Here this one, first one, today's I install. This is today's thing. Today I have downloaded. Click this one and click open. After that is scanning whether it is ISO file. It will scan. Once it is ISO file, it will tell that ready. Here automatically it will select MBR and bias for UFA this. You don't select any other one because it will not show, but sometime in Windows 10 if you are installing, it will ask to GPT. You have to partition scheme MBR to GPT, it will ask. but even the MBR also support for Windows 10. So if you have your system already hardware is MBR only partition, you select MBR only. So I select here MBR. Now what you have to do, just click start. Again it will ask, for this software will ask, are you all the data will erase in your pen drive. It is can I continue, then OK. Now it will deleting all your whatever is in there in your USB, it will delete and format, then starting boot USB for Windows XP. It takes only 5 minutes like that, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Now it is completed. So what you have to do, just close. It's over. Now I have Windows XP serial. Paste here. That's all. Now remove the pen drive. Now remove the pen drive and close the system, and I will show you in the other system how to install Windows XP. Till then, wait. Sure. Now switch on the laptop. This laptop is F2. Press F2. It will take again escape. Give escape F2. Press F2 to go in the BIOS. If you sort. Now this BIOS is coming. Why I want to show you BIOS? You have to check whether your system is boot with in which booting it is there. Just click this one. Boot sequence. It is internal HDD. It's showing internal HDD. First booting. Second booting. USB storage device. Third CD DVD, like that. So what you have to do? You have to select the USB storage. Go up. So now it is USB storage will come as a first bootable. Second is internal HDD. Now again one thing I want to tell, the system, go to system configuration. If you go here, here SATA operation. Here if you select ATA means it will support your 80 pin hard disk, because it is my old system. It will have 80 pin, that is a ribbon type, what you say. So if other than ATA, if it is disabled, it will not work. Your system will not boot with USB. Again, AHCI also, it will not boot with your bootable USB. Only when you select ATA, then only it will support your system to boot from USB. So just check it if it is correct. Then what you have to go, if it is ATA is okay, well and fair. Because in new system there is be SATA. It will there it will be showing SATA. That if it is a SATA, then Windows 10, Windows 7 will accept. But Windows XP and lower grade, that Windows 98 will not support. So ATA only support. Now you apply here. Again exist. In that before exit you insert your USB in the USB port like this. Now once you do, you exist this one. Now what will it will do? It will go and run through USB only. If you ask, then you have to enter. Just setup is inspecting your computer configuration. Again, Windows setup will start. Setup is starting Windows. Now it's showing. I will show you in the bottom. It will show here. Setup is starting Windows. Once it will copy the file, it will come here. Now welcome to setup. To set up Windows XP, now press enter. To repair a Windows XP, if you have already Windows XP in your system and it is not working properly, then you have to select the second one. To repair a Windows XP installation using eConsole, press R. To quit setup without installing, you don't want to do anything, then you press the F3 to quit this portion. So because I want to show you how to install Windows XP, so in that case I will select enter. So just click here, enter. Once you click the enter, this end user, that is the agreement form, it will come like this. In that here if you select F8, you will I agree. Escape means I do not agree. Page down, up, you select like that to read all those things. Page if you page down, it will go. And because I will agree. So what I will do, I will press F8. I will see F8. If I press F8, again it is coming. It's showing if one of the following Windows XP install is damaged, the setup can try to repair it. Because already I have Windows XP in the D drive. And so it is asking anything. What I will say, to repair the selected Windows XP installation, press R. Again, it's tell that already in this system Windows XP is there. If it is repairing, want to do, then press R. Or to continue installation, press copy of Windows XP without repairing, press escape. In this case, I will select press escape. Why I press escape? Because I want to install Windows XP. So I press escape. Now here what you do, because I want to format all the drive. All the drive means except software one this thing all those things I will. So what you have to do, select D. Here if you select D, what is three option is to set up Windows XP on the selected item, press enter. If still I want to install my Windows XP in the partition which is showing highlighted, there it will install. Or if I select other partition, it will install here. If I select one more, it will download. It will install in this partition. But what I want to do here, I want to show you how to format. So in this case, go the other to create a partition in the unpartitioned space. Press C. Again, it's asking. If I want to partition this D drive to smaller size to install Windows XP, I can select the this one to create a partition in the unpartitioned space. Again, it's telling unpartitioned space. Unpartitioned space is only 8 MB is there. It will not accept. So I will delete. I will delete D. First I will delete. What I have to delete the selected partition. Press D. I click here. Press D. Again for second time also it will ask to delete this partition. Press L, because by mistake if you have pressed D, it will give one more chance to reconsider. So because to delete this partition, press L. Again what I will do, press L here. Press L. So it is deleted. Again I want to delete the C drive also. So go to C. Again press D to delete this one. Once you press to delete this partition, press enter. Press enter. Again L. So that also deleted. Third one, another is there, Windows 7 something is there. I want to delete that one also. So what I will do again, D. I will press again D. Again L. Because it is asking L, next L. So I have deleted the three part. Now I can do to create a partition in the unpartitioned space. Now I will select the second one. So I want to create a partition to install Windows XP. What I will do here, second one, so press C. It is asked to create a partition in the unpartitioned space. Press C. So here I will press C only. I will press C. And here it is showing you have total unpartitioned space is this much. How much you want for Windows XP? So 60,000. I will select 20 GB. Here total is 209 GB is there. So I will go for 100. 180 I will go. So 60 is enough. 60 is enough. I will go for 60. 60000. Here's 60 GB. I will enter now. Here now 60 GB. 6000 MB means 60 GB. 60,000 MB. It's saying 60,000 means 60 GB. Now unpartition, again unpartition space is there still. So here again I want to partition this also. So because how to partition 2, 3 partitions, so for that only I was showing. Again I unpartition, again I press C. Again I will press C only. Again it's asking there how much you want. I will give now 100. This much. Now enter. Now it is 99. I will give. Okay, if you again you delete this one because I have taken more. Again what you do, you delete this one. Press again D. L. Now again select the same, put 80. Press C. I will select 80 now. 80, 70 I will take. 80 I will take, okay. Now so 80, I will take extra 0 I put. This one. Enter. Now 80 GB. Now the balance is 69. So the now already it is everything is done. Now where you want, again it is asking. I will partition this also. Give C. I will press C. Enter. The balance is for other drive. Please enter. Now everything partition done. New raw, all those things. New raw means it is not formatted. It is just partition given. 3 partition total. What I have deleted the drive. According to that I have selected and partition the system. Now where you want to install. The actual go to the to set up Windows XP on the selected item, press enter. But the selected item is 8 MB only. It will not install in that one. So you go for next drive, partition 2, new raw. You select this one and press enter. Now press enter. Format the partition using the NTFS file. You can select yes only because Windows 98 and Windows XP support FAT32 also. But for nowadays all is NTFS only. Because if it is not NTFS, then some operating system will not work in FAT32. So select NTFS file. So click yes. Now it is formatting. This format is going on. Set up this formatting. Here now 52% completed formatting. It is 78% over. %90 over. %98. 100% over. Now setup is copying files. It will take very less time only. It will copy the file in the same drive, C drive. After that, the pen drive is not required, USB drive. It will take from the hard disk only. What are the required files that will copying to the hard disk. It is 1% over 91, 94% over, 99% over. Now please wait. Setup initializing your Windows XP configuration. And in this time, the computer will restart. And first time that window logo will come, Windows XP logo. Again here, once it is restarted, don't press again to USB. Again it will reset up will start. Just leave it. Don't press any keyboard. In this case, don't press any key. Otherwise, again it will start from USB. Again it will install. So now it's coming. I told them because all the files, required files will be downloaded in your C drive. From that path only it will take everything. Here it is collecting information, installing Windows. The first three is over. Collecting information, dynamic updates, preparing installation, installing Windows. Now the fourth one is going on, installation, installing Windows. Installing devices means what are the devices there in our system. All the device drivers will be installing here. So that is mouse, keyboard, memory, everything. By default it will install. Supporting devices, printer devices. But when you install printer, that printer driver separately you have to install. But for that, all the supporting file will be installed here. the windows showing the different what are the available in your window XP. That's it is written to time pass. You read that also before downloading will complete. So you have to read all those things. Easily move documents and personal settings to a new computer. For that, how it will be do. So if you have had a computer for a while, you are probably getting it to be the way you like. All the same, you have to read. Surfing the internet, safe, fast and flexible. Again, so your system also support internet. For that, you have to install internet software. These are the devices it is installing. Now, here the one window is coming. Here, here regional language option allow you to change the way number, dates, everything. Then what you have to customize. If you click customize here, regional language is there, advanced is there. If you click advanced, all this thing, anything you want to change, you can change here. Here to help our here put India. If you are living in that means your country you have to put here. Then only the internet will come. You're going to. Here India is there. Yes. India. Select India and here customize the what type of date you require. Normally we are using month, day, day, month and year. So here what you see double M slash double D double D date. First you use date, again month double M, again 2025. So y 4y. Okay, now press apply. So today date is 6/5/2000. It will showing here. Okay. Vare. Just apply. Just okay. Now next you go next. Here or namsa vare. Now write your name here. And organization, you can write personal if you are using personal. Or other your if you are used for your company or some shop, you have to write that one. But otherwise, personal. Now click next. Now now it is asking the product key. Now I enter the product key. After I enter the product key, next window will come here, and here it is by personal something is you can delete this one and use your any computer name which is memory for you, because your computer name anything you can write. Administration password and confirm password, no need to fill it, because if you fill again your password again you have to fill once the window will restart. By that time if you forget the administration password, then you can't boot your system. If you if you forget your password also. So here leave it blank and go for next. Once you go for next, here again it will ask your country. Our country is India, means you have to select here India, and next you go. Again it will go further installation, it will go. Now it is installing network. Now it is installing network everything. Now asking typical setting or custom setting. Here choose whether to use typical or custom setting. If you select custom setting, allow you to manually configure network component. If you select typical setting, create network connection using a client or the print sharing, all those things it is asking. So go for custom setting. You know what is your internet setting. Go next. Again client for Microsoft network, like this. Go next. Here, no, this company is not on a network or is on a network without a domain. So you select work group only. If you select yes, make this company a member of the following domain, then you have to enter the domain name also. So select the first one, work group. Go next. Completing installation, going on to complete your installation. Another intent, it is showing 24 minutes, but it will not take 24 minutes. Normally actual it's showing here, but according to system configuration it will go late also, or it will install very early also. If your system configuration is very high range, means it will install very fast. Memory, hard disk space, everything it will calculate. And your hard disk, if it is SSD, it will take faster. If it is HDD, it will take slow. Because HDD read and write speed will be slow, whereas SSD, the both read and write speed will be faster. It is a chip based SSD, and the SSD is the drive based, just like a CD-ROM drive, like that. HDD will wear out very fast, whereas SSD will not wear out. Now 18 minutes showing, setup will complete in approximately 18 minutes. But it will finish within 5 minutes, that's all. Once install over, normal Windows then come. That time you have to install the drivers for all the hardware. There's a display driver, sound driver, internet driver, all those things. Sometime internet driver will take automatically in some motherboard. It will be reinstalled. That is already it will be installed in the motherboard itself. Configure that motherboard will configure according to the internet software. So sometimes it will take automatically. Otherwise, you have to download according to your. You have to see what is the model of your system. That is, mine is Dell, means I have to go to Google, click Google search their Dell and the model name and other details. If it is given, it you can download from the internet and install and take that installation file in a pen drive and insert the same pen drive to your this system and install the drivers. But if network driver is already, it will take, means no need to go for that thing. And other driver, what are the other driver? It is showing question mark. It will show in the driver device driver manager. There you have to install all the drivers. Now it is over. Now you can remove the pen drive also. No need. It will directly open Microsoft Windows XP. It's showing now. This is the first time showing you. And so here also some of the settings you have to select. Now to improve your appearance of visual element, Windows will automatically adjust your screen. You will be OK. Select OK. Now this is the Windows XP first Windows screen. Now here asking thank you for purchasing. Next, you just click next. Now here help protect my PC by turning on automatic update now. If you select now also, no problem. Next, click next. Here you give your name. Here put your name, because you can use up to 5 user you can select. Again above also you can select. Then other window, this thing will come, this open will come, and you have to, but I will have only one user, I will write my name. Next you go, next. Now it is selling. Congratulations, you are ready to go. Thank you. Now finish. Once you finish, first Windows screen will come. Welcome screen will come, and your desktop will open after this. Now your desktop is like this. My name already, what your name, right? That name it will here come here, and here already recycling bin is in the right hand bottom. But normally if you want actually, means what you have to here take a tour of Windows XP. If you click, it will show how to work in Windows XP. Small tour it will show like this. Microsoft Windows XP, this window will come. Again skip introduction, if you click the skip introduction, then this thing will come. Again here you see best for business, safe and easy personal computing, unlock the world of digital, all the things. If you want, which you select, that it will show you. If you click best of this, that will come. But I no need I will exit tour. I will give exit tour. It will go. Again right click, arrange icon, name. Again arrange icon by auto arrange. These two you can set. Then what happened? It will auto arrange. The new icon will come here in the left side. Now you want my computer in the desktop. What you select this one and show on desktop. Click show on desktop. It will show on the desktop. Again your documents, that also show on desktop. If you click, the documents also will come. Control panel. Here it is, Open Explorer is there. And my recent control panel. That's all. Now here my computer, click go properties. If you go properties, click hardware device manager. Just see how many question mark. This yellow question mark is all the drivers you have to install one by one. So what I will do, I will go for Ethernet controller. No, Ethernet. I go for a network controller. If you go for network controller, update driver, and it is asking because you have no internet, so you can't install from the internet. First you have to see whether that driver is available in your system. Then in that case, what you have to do, here use it generic USB, it is installing. Some of the default driver it will automatically install. So here found new hardware USB human interference. New hardware might not work, it's saying. So you try here. No, here select no, because you have no internet. If you have internet, yes, this time only, yes, now and every time you can select the other two. But because you have no internet, you have to select the third one. Third one selected, next you give. Next, install the software automatically. If you put automatically, it go select. It will search in the CD or it will search the net internet. So you select the second option, install from a list of specific location. I will give next, and it asking where. I will select and I have already in the backup this driver. So I will select software backup driver. What is the now it is installed. Network adapter. Finish. Now your internet here is showing. So wireless internet are installed. Now go click in the top, and what are the internet is available. It is showing here. It is. So mine I will select connect. If I go for connect, it will ask the password. I have to write the password. Click connect. Now acquiring, it will connected. Now it's saying connected. So your internet is connected, and I will show this much only for today. So I show you how to install Windows XP, and once Windows XP start your first Windows desktop, you install the internet driver. All other thing I will show you in the next part. Thank you.